First up, the Yamaha V Star 250, a small cruiser that packs surprising durability. Mechanics love it because it is easy to service, parts are affordable, and its lightweight frame makes it perfect for beginners and city riders. This is a true example of reliability at a budget price. Next is the Honda CB500X, known as one of the most versatile middleweight bikes. Mechanics praise its bulletproof parallel twin engine, smooth gearbox, and comfortable ergonomics. Whether commuting or touring, this motorcycle simply refuses to quit. At number 3, the Triumph Street Twin, a modern classic that balances style with dependability. Mechanics often highlight how its simple engine layout and solid construction make maintenance straightforward. It is not just beautiful, it is built to last. Coming in strong is the Kawasaki Versys 650, a motorcycle trusted by mechanics for its long-lasting parallel twin engine and low running costs. Perfect for touring, commuting, or weekend rides, the Versys 650 continues to prove itself year after year. Number 5 is the Royal Enfield Classic 350. Simple design, easy maintenance, and legendary charm. Mechanics often say this bike is so straightforward, it practically fixes itself. Affordable parts and timeless looks make it a global favorite. The Honda Shadow 750 earns a spot because of its rock-solid V-twin engine. Mechanics love how this cruiser rarely has major problems. With strong torque, a low seat height, and unbeatable reliability, the Shadow 750 is a cruiser that never lets you down. Next is the Yamaha Bolt, a minimalist cruiser that mechanics respect for its durability and simplicity. Its air-cooled V-twin is nearly indestructible, and the bike is known to rack up huge miles with very little drama. It is truly a mechanic's delight. Now we cannot forget the legendary Honda Goldwing. Mechanics consider it one of the most reliable touring motorcycles ever built. From the smooth six-cylinder engine to its unmatched comfort, the Goldwing is a machine that can literally outlast its rider. At number 9, we have the Kawasaki Vulcan S. Mechanics highlight its reliable 650cc engine, borrowed from the Ninja, known for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles. With adjustable ergonomics and modern styling, it is a reliable cruiser for all riders. Number 10 is the Yamaha MT-07. Ask any mechanic and they will praise its legendary CP2 engine, known for insane durability and low maintenance costs. It is fun, lightweight, and incredibly dependable, making it one of the best all-rounders in the world. Finally, the Honda Rebel 500. Mechanics admire its simple design and bulletproof engine, easy to ride, easy to maintain, and built to last. The Rebel 500 is the kind of bike that works for beginners, yet satisfies experienced riders too.